Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Sucheta Chandan Shive, librarian from PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya BSF Sakur. ZIT Mumbai training was an enriching and motivating experience. It helped me to adopt new student centric strategies and strengthen my classroom library practices. The workshop on reading rich environment guided me in creating joyful reading ambience and designing effective activities. With this learning, I have conducted National Library Week full week different activities such as bookmark making, book jacket designing, book review writing, and then storytelling, story enactment in groups, then debate competition, and as suggested by Sri Joglekar Sir, Assistant Commissioner KVS Mumbai, we planned and we conducted online author meet, authors from different states of India. So different corner of India authors gathered online and they interacted with the students of KVS Sakur. Their journey ignited many minds. Right now we have almost 8 writers in our budding writers in our school. The workshop on reading rich environment guided me in creating joyful reading ambience and designing effective activities and organize Constitution Day activities, the activities that blossoms from this training. Thank you ZIT Mumbai for shaping our journey. Thank you very much.